It was a bright sunny day when I walked into the Cambridge courthouse dressed in my three-piece brown tweed outfit, three-quarter length coat, matching slacks, beautiful looking brown velvet collar. I found my way up to the criminal division and sat down on one of those long oak wooden well-worn benches and waited for my name to be called by my probation officer. There were others waiting too. A couple of guys must have not slept well that night because there they were sitting like this. A couple of the women too, heavy makeup, short skirt. I tried to think they were probably on their way straight from the courthouse to some dress rehearsal. Finally, my probation officer called my name. I followed the nice young man into his little room, and I told him my story. We were driving on Storrow Drive. My husband was there. It's his car. He was tired. I was at the wheel. Woo, woo, woo. A state trooper pulls us over. What? I'm going 25 miles an hour. This is a non-registered car. The sticker on the license plate has expired. I could impound this car right now, get you right off the road. No. We paid the insurance, and I know I wrote the check out to the registry myself. We mailed it in, right, Bob? Oh, yeah. The sticker did come in the mail. It's in the bedroom on my nightstand. All right, I'll give you a break. Get that sticker on as soon as you can. Here's the ticket. Go to court. Pay the fine. Well, thank you, officer. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That night I told my friend Judy about our Storrow Drive adventure. She said, "It's just a ticket. You don't need to go to court. Just mail it in." I checked with the courthouse. I called. Someone in civil courts to me said, she confirmed what Judy said. Yeah, just mail it in. I did. Next thing I know, letter from the city of Cambridge, your mandatory court appearance. What? I call the courthouse. Now, I tell my story. I am upset. The woman says, calm down. Give me your information. I'll check for you. When she comes back, she tells me, you must have mistakenly talked to someone in civil court. Speeding violations are a civil matter. Registration failures are a criminal matter. You have to appear in criminal court on the date specified on your letter. I have to go to criminal court? And then I look at the letter, and the date I'm expected to be in court is exactly the time that there's an important conference at my work, and I'm one of the presenting psychologists. My ever-loving, caring husband, Bob, says, honey, it was my fault. I'll go for you. Take time off from my work. Checked with the woman. She says, okay, as long as someone's there representing you, fine. On the appointed day, after my conference was over, I called Bob. Oh, honey. I forgot to go. Oh, but that's all right. It's just a ticket. It'll be fine. This is how fine it was. I was notified that there was a warrant out for my arrest. And I'm supposed to come here and report to you, my probation officer. That's it. That's my story. Now, I'm a daughter. I'm a wife. I'm a mother. I'm a psychologist, and I'm a criminal. My probation officer said, you're in default. You failed to show up for a criminal offense. You could have fled the state. Your situation right now, if you were to be picked up for any reason whatsoever, you'd be taken straight to jail. No questions asked. You're telling me that because my husband didn't pick up the sticker and go like that, I'm going to jail? I think that's when he started to chuckle. When my case was called, he led me into the courtroom. My arresting officer read off the list of my offenses. And when I had to face the judge, I stood up in my three-piece outfit, and I did everything that my probation officer coached me to do. I pled guilty, and I promised not to leave the state the next time I got arrested. When I was finally free to leave, and once again out into the bright Cambridge sunshine, I took full responsibility for the whole thing. I realized there's no one at fault but me. I'm guilty because I'm the one who married him.